Okay, so today's video is going to be about this Bondwell Super Slim 286 B310 laptop. I got this for $30 at a thrift store. The nickel cadmium main battery doesn't charge anymore, or it doesn't charge as expected because the cells are probably dead by now. There are a few issues that I had with it. Well, for starters, I couldn't figure out the parameters for the hard drive to make it boot or anything, and I didn't have a working diskette to test the floppy drive. Well, to boot from, that is. And then there was the other issue, the display. Oh boy, was that fun. And I'll show you the capacitors I took out. Those are the ones I took off there. As you can see, those long life capacitors spewed their guts out. The rest of them didn't look too bad, but figured might as well replace them now than later, right? I still got a bazillion more to do. Not bazillion, but it is a lot more to do. The other issue that I have is the hinge itself. When I close the laptop, it wasn't. Oh, and now it did. It's just the hinge is very loose, so I have to fix that. And then increase. I'm using a power supply which is set to 9 volts DC. That's 2.5 amps. This thing does not have a backlight on here. It's got a counter, 43 megabyte hard drive, 1.4 megabyte floppy drive right here. Sorry, you can't see that light. Go ahead and tilt that over. Floppy drive right there. Power. Backside, you got the DC jack input, 9 volts, positive tip, parallel port, 2 serial ports, video output, which is CGA. It's got a Yamaha V6366C-F video chip, and it has a VLSI. Hard drive controller on here. And it has text instruments, it has chipsets, it has a Harris 12 megahertz, 286 processor, 0 state, 1 megabyte of video memory, 1 megabyte of video memory, 1 megabyte of memory. Can be expanded up to 2 with the type of memory modules. Very hard to find. So I'll go ahead and turn this on, and I'll demonstrate this for you. I definitely need to recap the system some more, because there are just a little bit of visible lines that it's not easy to see on the screen here. So it's going to give you a proper demonstration of the system here. Booting into DOS 3.3. It also has Windows 3.0 installed on this hard drive. Quite surprised that the old counter hard drive is chugging along just fine. Let me go ahead. Oops. I gotta fix that. I don't have the oh, I didn't select the correct one. 3, 1. I was going to be checking the hard drive for problems. As you convert to change files. Yes. no bad sectors on this hard drive. That's actually quite incredible for this hard drive having. It looks like the last time this laptop was used was around 1992, 1993. I gotta fix that. Let's see. Well, 2025, that's the year that, well, obviously I made that directory this year. So yeah, 1992 was when it was last used, maybe. I gotta fix the keyboard. It's a little bit picky. I think the keys just need a little bit of cleaning here and there. And of course, the little battery light is flashing. Battery doesn't charge anymore. Show you the other side of this thing. Also has the carrying handle. So basically, it looks like a typewriter with a display. Well, obviously. Then you got the little feet, the little kickstands here for the feet to prop it up. And of course, you have a nice battery, which cells aren't shaking violently, but this thing should get resold. I'm putting some either lithium polymer or lithium ion batteries in this thing. And the other point I have for the system, well, obviously after recapping it, is to give this thing a brand new display. Thing about getting an IPS, but unfortunately those aren't available for the widescreen version of the 6-foot of this particular laptop, unfortunately. But it would be nice to have that, so you can have, I would say, color display and backlight and no shadowing, because this is a contrast system, and contrast always has that shadowy thing. And this is a monochrome laptop. It supports color output to the computer screen if you have a CGA monitor, but I don't have any of that, so that's all I have to do for now. That's the video.